So I've just recently purchased and installed this monitor, and I'm using it with my MacBook Pro at the moment. And the thing I like about it is, and as you would know with your research with this monitor, is that just one single cable, it's a Thunderbolt 3, provides the image as well as power to the laptop, 85 watts of power. So I've been using it with Final Cut Pro and having it render and doing a few other tasks, no problems. It doesn't keep draining the battery like it did with my other monitor. The only thing with this that I've noticed, I've been using this for about a week now, is just on the corners here, and I'll just show you. I don't know if they'll come up very well, but see around here, it's a bit darker and muddy, and yeah, it's hard to show it here because I'm just using my iPhone to film this, but it does extend up just a little bit, but it's most prominent down here. Now for me, for my purposes, it doesn't really affect me that much because I'm using it for video editing and my timeline is usually around here anyway, and then my viewer's up here. So it doesn't really matter that much, but just something that I noticed. And I thought maybe it might be my viewing angle, but it's not. See, you can kind of see it there. It's a bit muddy in the corner and how it rises up a little bit. It's not so prominent down here. Oh, it is this time. Okay, so there you go. Just noticed it's a bit more prominent there. Not so much on the top right corner, top left, not so much. So it doesn't really affect me that much, but it's just that it's a little bit annoying. So something to consider. But all in all, I'm very happy with this monitor. I was using another monitor. It was a 24-inch, and it was only HD, so that's 1920 by 1080 down. Whereas this monitor, it's a little bit more resolution, but not as much resolution as the iMac 5K. But it's definitely more than good enough for Photoshop, for Final Cut. It's great. I used to actually have my MacBook Pro open at the same time when I was using the other monitor, but with this, it's so wide. I could comfortably fit 3 windows, no probs. But the way I'm using it, I have 2 windows open, so it's like 2 iMacs next to each other. The vertical measurement, it's pretty much the same as the vertical measurement of the iMac 5K. So it's about 34 centimeters down. But yeah, just really wide. So it's really good. Probably the next thing that I'll get with this is like a desk arm or a desk mount, so that way I could use up this space a lot better, and I've got the freedom to move this around. But all in all, yeah, pretty good monitor. Just those 2 kind of dark muddy corners that I've noticed. So I hope this helps someone out.